Hey bakers, welcome to Wake and Bake. I'm your host, Chef Sunflour. So it's Valentine's Day and love is in the air. If you don't have a Valentine's Day, like me, you know, be your own Valentine. Oh, thank you. So cute, so nice. Thank you so much. So anyways, we're making cheesecake into these things, conversation hearts. Who knew what these things are called, you know? Did you? Because I did. Thumbs up if you just found out that name, because I just did. Anyways, let's get cooking. So I'm using neon colors to match these hearts up, and you're also going to need a pointed brush and some red food gel. I got these heart things from Amazon. They were only $10, so not bad. You're going to set all your ingredients out so they can get up to room temperature for at least an hour, and then gather all your ingredients for the cheesecake and the crust. The recipe is right here for the cheesecake, and also I have the recipe for the crust, but if I'm moving too fast, they are also down below in the description. So we're going to start off with mixing our cream cheese and our sour cream together. You don't want to mix this too fast because you want it to be creamy, so you don't want to create a lot of air. You just want to get it combined. Add our sugar and then just mix it again, just combining it. I'm adding our lemon juice and our vanilla also. So I'm checking it out and I'm seeing that it's still a couple lumps in here. So if you're having this problem like me, I have a good tip for you. So you're gonna have a hot water bath in a big bowl, and you're gonna stir it up and just let it all melt a little bit. This way you're not creating more air in it, over mixing it, you know, just melting it down a little bit. And you want to constantly stir it. And then the problem is fixed, it's more creamier, and we're good to go. Put it back in your KitchenAid mixer and then start adding your eggs one at a time. Alright, after we got our eggs all mixed up, we are going to start working on our crust. So for our crust, we're going to need our graham crackers, some cinnamon, and some butter. Just put a little bit in, then add your butter, and mix it all together. You want to add a little bit to each heart, and then just press it down. So we're going to bake this off. So I'm getting my water bath together in a roasting pan. And then you're just going to set the hearts inside and bake it off for 8 to 10 minutes. So while this is in the oven baking off, you want to start getting your colors ready by dividing them evenly into bowls. So you want to make your colors lighter than the conversation hearts because they're going to get darker in the oven. I'm making pink, orange, purple, white, and I didn't have blue, so I'm using green instead, but it's okay though. After your crust done baking, you want to fill up your hearts and then go ahead and throw them back in the water bath and into the oven for 18 to 20 minutes. So I just got them out the oven, and be careful because I made a mistake and got water in this one, wiggling it around too much, but you know they're done when they still wiggle in the middle and they're stiff on the outside. So we're gonna pop these in the freezer, wrap them up in paper towel and plastic wrap. After they done freezing, be careful because yeah, they were flying everywhere, but you gotta be like gentle and rough at the same time, if that makes any sense. But they pop out nicely and easily. You gotta get your red food gel, and I was testing out some brushes to see you know, which one is good. And the smallest, pointiest one was the best one to go with. So that was the winner. So I'm writing messages like XO and be mine, kisses. But you can write anything you want, you know. I was writing stuff like hug me. And it was difficult because my hand is very shaky, so this was very hard for me. But they do also have stamps, and I will put that in the link below, because if you want it to be perfect, you can use those. And I didn't mind it like not being perfect because it was from the heart, you know. Get it? From the heart. So here is my finished product. I was really happy with this. It was really fun to do, really easy, really simple. You know, you see that one that say truly yours? That is supposed to say yours truly. That's the one mistake I made, but hey, overall, they came out really nice. Plus, this cheesecake is so creamy, like it melts in 20 minutes after getting out the freezer, and it's so delicious. Alright, hope you like this video. Comment any questions you have below, and I am happy to answer them. Have a happy Valentine's Day, you guys. Bye. Don't forget to like.